Hello and welcome, it's Jilly Cube and I'm here today going to do a Starburst pour. I've just used that little round bowl as just a template really to put a sort of circle in, so as a guide for myself so I don't go way off track. The acrylic pen that I used won't show through because it'll just, once the rest of the paint gets with it, it'll just mould in nicely. I'm giving a quick coat of this one is just the white. It's just my normal acrylic paint mixed with my normal pouring medium. So I'm giving sort of a base coat, but sort of a rough old base coat for sure. I'm not too worried in it too much because I'm going to put lots of other colours on top. So that's all done and on to the next stage of my gorgeous Starburst. This is what I'm calling my desert rose. I made the paint up myself out of the pearl mist from Global, plus some of the Global high flow of the dioxazine, I think it is. I can never say it. Another purple. So it's a custom colour, but I call it my sparkling desert rose. This one is the ultraviolet, I think it's called, or ultra lilac, or yeah. So just some of that. So just having some fun here with this, and yeah, just letting it all take its course, I guess. I will, oh, that's the really deep purple that my Berry Delicious. I have actually made up the deep purple and then added some of that dioxazine purple to it. So it sends it really dark, and it also, it's really highly pigmented. So the colour stays really true. So I'm quite enjoying adding the high flow paints to my normal acrylic because it really does deepen the pigment in them, and yeah, I like it. So this is just the turquoise, and the next colour that I will add after this is I think it's warm red, and I've added a good dash of yellow, so it's sort of given it a real orangey look. I definitely think that I could have added a far less white in the middle. I made this mistake last time because I ended up sucking the white out with a syringe, but I just thought that I'll use that white to do my chaos blow out on this piece. And these colours were really beautiful. They are really beautiful, so they will certainly pop when I give it a varnish coat as well. They're really gorgeous. So enjoyed immensely just happily going along and blowing this one out. It was a very nice project for my Sunday afternoon. So as you see here, what I've used there is I haven't used my balloon that I normally use that's filled with, a little one that's filled with water. I've just used a deflated balloon. So it's sort of all just deflated and soft, and it sort of gives a really nice, well, it can give lots of effects actually. It makes a really nice flower or really nice petals. So I think I'm going to show you how that one. The reason that's not worked there is because I've got way too much white, too much paint. So I really need to either leave that paint to absorb or just suck it out, or if you keep pressing the balloon into it or kissing the balloon into it, it will take up a lot of the paint off it. But love these little rolling effects with the balloon. They really, create some depth and lovely effects in your art piece. I'm happy, Jen. I'm happy with that one. I really enjoyed doing, and it's really nice and bright, and I hope you enjoyed that too. So I will be back again tomorrow with another pour. Try and think of different thing to do again. I did finish off my edges nicely, and it is currently drying well. So I think I hold up a painting and show you my previous one I did a few months ago that's all dry, and it's had just a gloss coating over it, that one. So that's really ended up really vibrant, and so I liked that so much when I seen it there in my studio that I thought I must do that again. So until tomorrow, my lovelies, I hope you enjoyed that and give it a go. Take care, and I will be back tomorrow. Bye for now.